Hi again, welcome to the You Revolution. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Paddy Venner. Please do visit the website. The details will come up on the screen in a moment, but also, subscribe to the channel. I do offer private coaching as well, face-to-face if you live nearby, but also via Skype. And I'm more than happy to help you in any situation. Please do give me a shout and I'll be happy to see what I can do for you. I get so many people asking me questions like, why are there so many mean people in the world? Why are people mean? And I've encountered some people, to be fair, who seem to go out of their way to be mean and to do mean things, to say mean things, to just be spiteful, say something spiteful, do something a little bit odd, However, very often I've come to realize that mean people are usually very, very hurt people. Sometimes the meanness is absolutely intentional, but it's because they're hurt. There's a reason why they're doing that. The meanness is actually a protection against further hurt. Maybe you are that person. Maybe there's something that's happened to you and it's almost like you've put a ring of razor wire around yourself, and people will get cut if they get a little bit too close. And you put your meanness out there as a way of saying, so far and no further, I'm not going to let myself get hurt again. And unfortunately, you've used meanness as a way of expressing that inner hurt. I've had the experience of coaching people of all ages, and very often when I'll sit somebody down and I'll challenge them on something that they did or something that they said that was mean, I'll say to them, why did you do that? That really wasn't a very nice thing. Immediately I've seen them dissolve into tears when they suddenly realize that somebody's actually now going to listen to the hurt that's on the inside of them, because what comes out of your mouth and what comes out through your actions, it usually shows what's going on inside of you. Mean people need friendship and they need kindness. They might not make it very easy for that to happen, but actually that is the antidote to their meanness. It's very, very hard. There's even a biblical saying that says when we're kind to somebody that's not kind, and when we show love and compassion to somebody that's not very, that's actually a mean person, it's like heaping burning coals on their head. In other words, you're actually making them see the error of their ways because you're constantly being kind, and no matter what they throw at you, you keep on with the kindness. And it's like burning coals of condemnation on their own head, and that can turn somebody. Sometimes mean people are just not very self-aware. They're not aware of what their actions are doing. They're not aware of the impact that their words are having. Maybe that's you. Sadly, also some people feel it's their only way of making their mark, and they feel empowered by doing that. I'm a nothing, I'm a nobody. The only way I can actually get people to pay me any kind of attention is to say something nasty. Hey, at least they look at me. At least they say something to me. You're doing damage if you're doing that sort of thing. You're building walls instead of bridges. Let us be living lives where we're building bridges between one another and not building walls. Being kind to people you believe that are mean is not an easy thing to do. But what a great challenge. Yes, there are some people that are mean. But how about we create the counterculture and we show kindness to people even when it's really, really hard? Just a few thoughts, and all of this comes from my own life experience, by the way. And do subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch up again soon. Thank you.